Super Beta Prostate has sold over 5 million bottles. You have to take 100 salt palmetto capsules to get the same amount of beta-sitosterol as you would from just one Super Beta Prostate capsule. If you want.
Oh my God.
Super Beta Prostate works for me during the day and at night.
I think I missed it, dude. It's just too funny.